Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome. Today I am going to take some of these Oreo cookies that I actually put together in a previous video, and I am going to use them for a crust to a no-bake Oreo cookie cheesecake. Oh my gosh, you guys, looking forward to this. Glad that you are joining me today. And now that you are joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor by pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to hit that notification bell, you guys. So without further ado, I am going to put all of the ingredients that you will need to put this together on the screen, and we'll be right back and we will put this together. All right, everyone, so we are going to start with making the crust for this no-bake Oreo cookie cheesecake. And in this bag, I've got the pieces of the Oreo cookie, and I'm just gonna take this rolling pin, and I am going to crush these. And of course, if you have a food processor or a NutriBullet, you can do that as well. But I think because of the amount that I am actually crushing today, the easiest and cleanest way to do this will be just to go ahead and crush them right here in the plastic bag. That way I don't have to clean up any blenders. All right, you guys, so just like that, we have some crushed Oreo cookies. So the next step is to put this in a bowl and to combine it with some melted butter. All right, guys, I've got my bowl in front of me. I'm gonna pour the cookie crumbs. Get them all in here. Okay, and at this point, we're just gonna add some of this butter. Until we have a consistency that holds these crumbs together. And you guys, I do apologize in advance, but when I started filming this, yard work started. So if you hear the hum of a mower in the backdrop, that's what that is, but we are moving forward. This is called life, you guys. The unexpected happens sometimes. And by the way, if you have not yet seen my Oreo cookie recipe, then I will leave that in the card above. So check that out as well. This looks like it is a good consistency that it will stick together when we put it into the muffin tins. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get my muffin tin, we're gonna press this into place, and then we are going to refrigerate that for about a half hour so it can set. And then while that is doing that, we're gonna put together the rest of our ingredients. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and get these crumbs into the bottom of these tins. And also, if you wanted to just make one pan of this, then you can do exactly that. Just get yourself a pan, either square or rectangular. And then what you would do is you would line it with some parchment paper, and then you would proceed to spread these crumbs at the bottom of that. And then on top of that, you would add your filling. But I just wanted to make individual servings. All right, everyone. Now this is all set to go into the fridge. I am going to keep it refrigerated for about half hour, and then we're going to come back and we are going to make the filling. Okay, now we are going to cream this cream cheese. Okay, that looks good. And to it, we are going to add some granulated sweetener. and blend that in. All right, that is smooth and creamy. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice and some vanilla extract. Okay. Now the vanilla extract. Okay, let's blend this in. All right, guys, this is ready. So at this point, I am going to clean off these beaters, and then we're gonna get into whipping up the heavy whipping cream. All right, everyone, now let's go ahead and whip up this heavy whipping cream. And we're going to whip this until we get stiff peaks. Okay. Now we are going to fold this heavy whipping cream into this cream cheese. I'm going to keep it light and airy. All right, you guys, and here we have it. We've got the filling for our individual Oreo cookie cheesecakes. So I'm gonna go to the fridge and get out those tins. All right, I'm gonna scoop some of this topping or filling on top of these crusts. Oh my gosh, guys. That may actually be a little bit too much, but we will see. Okay, spread it around evenly. A little bit too much. All right. All right, you guys. This is now ready to go back into the fridge to chill for about 2, maybe 3 hours. And then when they have set, I'm going to come back to you and show you the finished product. All right, everyone, these are out of the fridge. They've set. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on a serving platter. Now at this point, these are all set to eat, or you can do the extra like I am going to do by taking some heavy whipping cream, and I put it into a piping bag, and I'm just going to decorate the top a little bit, make it extra special. And here we have it. Let's go ahead and unwrap one of these. And here we have the finished Oreo cookie no bake cheesecake. Looks delicious, you guys. Let's go ahead and cut into it. And here you have it. So you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged, and it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special by making delicious desserts such as this. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy.